Hi, I'm Sara Levin, the Artful Inker and independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and one of the first things that I had to have from the new Stampin' Up! Catalog was the Peony Garden Suite, which includes the Prize Peony stamp set and the Peony Dies. And when you receive the dies, you may look at them and think, what the heck? Which is why I'm doing this video. So let me set these aside and I'll show you how to use the dies and put the pieces together. Okay, so I've got die cut pieces here, and I've used black and white so that we can more easily see how this fits together. I will put a chart on my blog and number these so that you can see which ones make the flower and which ones die cut the stamps. So you're going to start with this biggest die, and I've cut it in black because it makes it easier to see, and I'm just, can you see, just folding. There is no fold line there. However, this cut is already made for you, and I'm just folding it up. Okay, and then next we have this piece, which is cut by this die, and the same thing, this cut is already made, and I'm just going to fold these up like this and slide this in here. So next I have this piece, which is cut by this die, and again I'm just folding these up, and I'm going to slide that right down in the pocket that I made. Oh, don't want to come down below. Obviously you would be doing this in the same color, and then can't quite get my fingers under it. This piece is cut by this die, and same thing, we're just going to fold that a little bit and tuck it in the pocket. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Oh, I've lost that back layer. There we go. And then we have this piece cut by this die, and it's just going to go down in there. And then you've got several leaves here, 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 these that go with the stamp set, and then you have these odd looking pieces here, here, and here, and they overlay the leaves. So you could use two shades of green, the same shade of green, and just give a little height, but that's the basics of how the Peony dies work for the Peony Garden Suite. As I said, I will have a chart on my blog numbering these so you can have a handy reference that you can download. The link to that blog post will be in the description below. You can purchase these products in my store using the link in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell if you would like notifications for my next video. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite product is in the new Stampin' Up! Catalog. And have a great day. Bye. Thanks for stopping in.